Time now for your weather on the 4s.
Let's check your weather out there with meteorologist Cesar Conejo. You know, I don't know if it's just me and it's just early this morning, but the air looks so much better out there today.
Brian, you're right. We're seeing lots of better air quality out there so far throughout most of the Great Basin and the Beehive State, and that's because we continue to see a southerly flow of air bringing in non-smoky air for us. But we expect to see with that southerly flow more storms in northern Utah. We'll expect to see the possibility of some flash flooding concerns for some areas that are prone to them, and we'll see that the air quality is a bit better with an update for us. And then again, we'll see that monsoonal flow still kicking in moisture for us. And so far right now, as we look outside the Southern Utah University camera network here in St. George, look at that. Very little cloud cover, if any, out there as we start off the morning. A much calmer day ahead of us, and that's really denoted by all of what we can see here with satellite and radar. Most of the moisture is making its way in from a southeast direction, so as we have that mostly moist air moving in like that, we'll see that it sticks around mostly to the other side of the mountain ranges. And because of that southerly flow, we continue to see that the smoke begins to shift also. It'll continue into a north-northeast pattern. So as we clear out throughout the day, we'll see that not really much in the way of haze and smoke to affect our air quality. We will see cloud cover hanging around, and by the time we get towards the afternoon hours, we could see a few showers and thunderstorms starting to pop up for us, mostly tied to the higher terrain, but we cannot rule out a stray one rolling into the valleys. Most of the heavier rain is expected to fall towards parts of the eastern side of the state. Other than that, we continue to see the possibility for showers through a lot of our area. Excessive rainfall forecast from the Weather Prediction Center is showing that a lot of the Beehive State is at least under this marginal threat. So basically 5 to 10% chance that we could see a heavy downpour in the area shaded in green. Looking at our flash flood potential, we're expecting to see in southern Utah, we still are elevated for a few areas to be in the flash flooding risk. So as we look at FUTURECAST, we expect to see that we have shower activity kind of lasting around the higher elevation. So that is where we see most of the storm activity hanging around. We could expect to see maybe a few going towards some of the valleys, and going into Thursday, we continue to expect to see that just like clockwork, it continues for us. Temperatures for the regional forecast will be around the average for us this time of year. St. George, we're expecting to see temperatures ranging around the triple digits, even 90s as we go into the weekend, with more storm chances for us. Wasatch Front, we continue to also see expected storm chances to increase as we go into the weekend, and temperatures also decreasing into the upper to mid 80s by Saturday and Sunday, and even into Monday. So a nice little cool down is well welcomed. Here looking at the Wasatch